A lot of people think ready-to-assemble furniture is just eyesore after eyesore. There's the good, the bad, and the ugly. The good, affordability and value. The bad, it's not ready-to-assemble furniture, it's difficult to assemble furniture. The ugly, most of this furniture is both bland and boring. But they don't know the furniture I know. As a designer, we can do better. We can do way better. Each piece has its own personality, maximum efficiency to daring complexity. Now meet this Stool Rocks. And yes, the stool really does rock. The hard rock rotates all 360 degrees, but it doesn't stand when left alone. The soft rock, we flatten the bottom so the stool can stand by itself. It rocks forward and backward. And the easy rock, the most stable of the three, rocks forward only. The most remarkable thing about this stool for me is how it's made. We attach a design file to an email and send it to makers in your city. As simply as pressing print, they cut the stool in parts using high quality, furniture grade birch plywood and mail it to you to be assembled. For this stool, assembly takes less time than the 100-meter sprinting world record. This is a revolutionary way to design, manufacture, and distribute furniture, and we want you to be the first to own it. We need to raise the money from Kickstarter to make local production runs efficient, mass-produce packaging, and know how many to order. The next time your friends say ready-to-assemble furniture is bland, boring, cheaply made, and difficult to assemble, prove them wrong and show them your rocking stool. Help make ready-to-assemble furniture better by supporting our campaign and choosing your reward that suits you best. Please share this with others in your city.